It's been called the God particle, and it's seen as the holy grail of physics, a particle whose existence has never been proven, but which scientists believe is the basic building block of the universe. Tonight, physicists from around the world gathered in Melbourne for an announcement that the elusive Higgs boson particle actually exists. It's being hailed as the biggest breakthrough in physics in 100 years. Hamish Fitzsimmons reports.
Announcements in Geneva and at a conference in Melbourne heralded the sighting of a particle consistent with the Higgs boson, which has eluded scientists for decades.
It's clearly one of the biggest discoveries that we're looking for, and it has been for the last 100 years, that's for sure.
The Higgs boson will be a manifestation that the theory which predicts why particles have a mass, why we have a mass, for example. So it's really the last missing link in what we call in physics the standard model, which we see in all other aspects a very perfect description of nature.
The Higgs boson theory was published in 1964 by British physicist Peter Higgs. It explained how, as the smallest part of an atom, it allowed matter to acquire mass. Dr. Peter Jenny was one of those who believed finding it could help explain the world better.
When we understand the laws of physics, we are able to develop technologies for the benefit of society.
The physical work to find the Higgs boson was done in particle accelerators. The main one is the Large Hadron Collider at the European Organisation for Nuclear Research, or CERN, in Switzerland. Thousands of scientists from around the world, including Australia, contributed to the Atlas experiment, which built the equipment powerful enough to find the Higgs boson.
The standard model is not complete. We know, but without this, in fact, this is the last ingredient of the standard model, and it really puts the finishing touches on a model, or it tells us that we have to look for somewhere else.
Many physicists doubted whether the Higgs boson existed at all, which is why this announcement has electrified the science world.
I think it's a very important milestone on our quest to understand the beauty of nature.
The symmetry of nature, time and time again, has helped physicists and other scientists understand the world around them.
Far from being the last word, the discovery will be the basis of future research, say those involved.
What this is doing for us is giving us a new platform upon which the symmetry plus the small breaking of the symmetry is taking place. And then we can look beyond to things like dark matter, to things like whether there are extra dimensions in space-time.
More research is being done to confirm once and for all if the invisible particle that was the star of the show is in fact the Higgs boson. Hamish Fitzsimmons, Lateline.